What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Valentine look I will be showing you guys. So I started off with priming my face, and then I went in with the elf concealer under my eyes, on my nose bridge, my forehead, underneath my chin, top of my lips, and I blended in. The key to a flawless makeup is to blend. So as to not apply too much foundation, I dotted the foundation on my cheek with the back of the brush, and then on my contour area. So basically on the contour areas, and then I blended them in. Remember, you can blend with your brush, beauty blender, sponge, whichever you're comfortable with. Go ahead and use it. So I just blended that right into my skin because I'm trying to get the flawless skin-like makeup look. This is ideal makeup for your date, Valentine's night, going out, to everyday look. Well, not really everyday look, but everyday routine, skin routine. The eyeshadow kind of makes it all Valentine and loving. But yeah, you blend in. And I went in with a lighter concealer using the Gele Pro concealer. I went on the eyes and just a little bit over my nose bridge, on my forehead, top of my lips, and underneath my chin. These are the areas that I want to appear a little bit lighter than usual. So I just applied that, and then I went in blending with a smaller brush because they look like the little corner area. So I need to use the smaller brush so they can get in and blend in properly. Use whatever you're comfortable with, guys. After blending into my satisfaction, I went in with my powder brush, my finishing powder, and I went all over my face to make sure there wasn't any sharp lines from the contour to the highlighted areas, and to give it that flawless transition. And I went under my eyes with some baking powder. I didn't put a lot because I wasn't trying to bake, so I just dabbed a little bit underneath my eye area, my forehead, my chin, top of my lips, and my nose bridge. And I went in again in the inner corner with a bit of translucent powder. Once I was done with that, I started off with my brush. I started with brushing the little bit of brow that I've got left. Only God help me. And then I use this brow pencil to draw the end of my brows because I wanted it to be much brighter than the tip. So I started using this technique of rinsing, and I found that I loved it. So I kind of stuck to it for now until I find something new. This is what I've got. So I do this, and then I get a brown pencil and fade in to give it that look, because I don't like my brows being too dark, and I don't like it being too light because then it kind of get lost in the sauce, and I don't want that, you know. I still want my brush to show. So this is how I do it. I got a darker pencil for the ends and a dark brown pencil to fade in and to give that natural look. After that, I took my LA Pro concealer, the lighter shade, to highlight my brows, and then I took the darker shade to put on my eyelid to blend in, because I didn't want everything to be too light, but the lighter shades helps the brows stand out a bit more from the under. After that, we just need to blend. Like I said, flawless makeup, blending is needed. Blend, 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 baby. I personally don't apply concealer on top of my brows, so I take the brush that I've used to blend the under of my brows and just use it to clean up the top on both sides. That's what I do, but you can always use some concealer at the top of your brows eyeshadow. So I start off with priming my eyes, because if you can prime your skin, why not prime your eyes? Why not prime your lips? So I applied some brown under eyeliner to my under eyes, and then I went in to do my eyeliner. I wanted a very long wing, so I started from the top and then worked my way all the way to the bottom. Once I was happy with that, applied some mascara to my eyes. I wanted that cat look, so I was only applying it to the edges of my lashes, on the wing side of my lashes. And I did the same on the bottom lash as well.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know